Have you ever seen a catchy meme, a funny parody, or an insightful critical review that uses someone else's creative work? Many people wonder if they can do the same without getting into legal trouble. Fair use can indeed provide a legal defense against claims of copyright infringement, but it is not an automatic protection. It is a legal doctrine that allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission from the copyright holder under certain circumstances. The determination of whether a particular use is fair use is made on a case-by-case basis, considering for key factors outlined in United States copyright law. First, courts examine the purpose and character of your use, including whether such use is of a commercial nature or is for nonprofit educational purposes. Transformative uses, which change the original work with new expression or meaning, are generally favored. Second, the nature of the copyrighted work itself is considered. Using factual works is more likely to be fair than using highly creative works like fiction. Third, the amount and substantiality of the portion used in relation to the copyrighted work as a whole is important. Generally, using less of the original work, especially less of its heart, strengthens a fair use argument. Fourth, and finally, courts assess the effect of the use upon the potential market for or value of the copyrighted work. If your use harms the market for the original, it is less likely to be considered fair. To navigate this area, always carefully evaluate these four factors before using copyrighted material. Consider if your use adds new meaning or expression to the original. Ask yourself if you are using only the necessary amount of the original work. While fair use is an important principle, it is complex, and there is no bright line rule. It is crucial to understand that fair use is a legal defense you can assert in court, rather than an affirmative right that prevents an infringement claim from being filed in the first place. This means that even if you believe your use is fair, you could still face a copyright infringement lawsuit. Seeking legal advice from a qualified attorney is always a wise step if you are uncertain about a specific use, especially if it involves commercial activity. Understanding the nuances of fair use helps you make informed decisions about incorporating existing works into your own creations. By considering the purpose, nature, amount, and market impact, you can better assess the risks and responsibilities that come with using copyrighted material, protecting both your work and your peace of mind.